So welcome back, Snacktionating here at the Miss Julie's Kitchen, our Akron affiliate, and the nut buttery no-bake Goo Balls are one of the finest no-bake peanutty chocolatey items that you'll find around town. And on this in the entire world, there's just like the right amount of Ohio maple syrup and puff spelt, organic puff spelt, and cornflakes. These are a unique yet simple, so satisfying, like the breakfast goodie of nutty deliciousness that you will hopefully be finding soon. So let's get in close, like how these are pressed together. Let's get in close. Okay, close. Okay. So, okay. So the initial dig is really what's important here with training. Is that you should get it like really good your first grab, okay, and then just start, and then I know like what fits my hand, but so it's this like circular thing, and then like this thing happens, like this thing, and then that, so there's like a continuous, and so that's how these are made. It's definitely a workout. Definitely a labor of love. All right, so definitely like a minute per ball. And once you get going, and then, don't worry about it, because there's great natural remedies like the CBD for your joints if our joints get a little strained from like a 2 Goo Ball shift where you get about 170 balls. Nice balls, and these have 15 grams of protein that is easy to digest. It's full of these richness oils that make it so satisfying, and brain nutritive is what's happening there's 3 cups of ground up whole hemp seeds in a batch of Goo Balls, as well as 4.5 cups of shelled hemp seeds. So it's really a primary protein source, along with the almond butter and peanut butter. And sure to satisfy, please do enjoy them and the recipe, and keep a lookout for more satisfying solutions that benefit our strength and our agricultural harmony that we get to have with the planet too.